Walking through forests of palm tree apartments, scoff at the monkeys who live in their dark tents. Down by the water hole, drunk every Friday, eating their nuts, saving their raisins for Sunday. Lions and tigers who wait in the shadows, they're fast but they're lazy.
Now the Sioncita cristata, or the blue jay, is a passerine bird of the Corvidae family. Genders are in similar size and plumage, and this plumage...
I'm so out here, I got some plans this weekend. Yep. Party at the Tarbox house.
Oh, and don't forget class, the research papers are due Monday.
Oh man! Fuck! I'm gonna kill him! Damn!
Oh, just remember, early bird catches the worm.
Because it goes from that.
William! Marty! What brings you here?
William, my friend, the government has agreed to fund us for an entire 2-week expedition into the South American jungle to observe and record our findings. Do you know what this means?
I think so.
Yes, we can finally go and find the warbler.
Wait, Marty.
Hold on, William. Just see the equipment I've gathered. Oh, almost forgot. Your plane ticket.
Marty, wait. I have to tell you something.
Hold on, William.
I can't come.
What do you mean?
Listen, I can't come with you to South America. My health is just not well enough.
But William, we've been planning this trip for years. You've practically spent your whole life dedicated to finding this bird. What will you do?
I don't know, Marty. I'll call you tomorrow. We'll figure this out.
Okay, that's fine.
Hello? Hi, Chad. It's William.
Oh, hey, what do you need?
Actually, Chad, I was wondering if you could do me a favor.
Okay, really, what's that?
Well, you know that grant I've been working on?
Oh, yeah, I know that.
They've decided to give me funding for 2 whole weeks for an expedition in South America.
No kidding. That's great.
Yes, it's true. However, due to my current physical condition, I cannot make it. And since you're one of the only warbler experts, I would like you to go in my stead on a 2-week expedition to South America.
You want me to do what?
I want you to go to South America and track down the warbler. Your plane will be leaving this Sunday morning.
I can't. I got a very important business to be on Tuesday.
Well, I guess there are a few other colleagues that are acquainted with my research.
Yeah, like what about your old friend Marty? Is he supposed to go with you?
Well, you and I both know that Marty never really pays attention to anything scholarly. He's always been more for pursuing a life of adventure rather than a life of research.
That's true, I guess. But you got other contacts, right?
Yeah, I guess you're right, Chad.
All right. Good luck. Bye.
Hello, Veronica. I was wondering if Oh, okay. Yeah, you're busy. All right. Well, good night then. Hi, Frank. It's William from the university. Oh, you broke your arm? In prison? So on a vacation to Florida. Hello? Hello? Oh, I'm so sorry. Please send the family my condolences.
Hello?
Is everything alright, Carl? I heard you screaming and then a rather loud thud.
Ah, yes. I was watching a beautiful nightingale bird and fell out of my bedroom window. Might I ask who's calling, especially at this time of night?
Oh, yeah, sorry. Where are my manners? This is William Jenkins from the university. Remember, we worked together on a research project, tracking down the warbler?
Oh, of course. The warbler is still one of my most favorite rare bird species. Tell me, have you received your grant yet?
Actually, Carl, that's what I wanted to talk to you about. You see, the government gave me the grant, but I can't go. My health is just not well enough. I have called all my other colleagues who are familiar with my work, but they are all unavailable. And that's why I would like you to go. You're the only other person who knows the bird well enough to be able to find it. So, would you like to go?
That's a keeper. Bill, you never believe the fantastic photo I just took of this nightingale. Its plumage was absolutely...
Carl, were you even listening to anything?
Yes, I was, and I accept your invitation.
So you'll go on the trip to South America?
Do I need to repeat myself?
Oh, Carl, that is great news, really. Now, your plane will depart on Sunday morning. I will mail your ticket to you along with some of my maps. These maps are marked with the places where the warblers have been sighted. I have constructed possible warbler migratory patterns, which should lead you directly to the bird. Do you think you're up for the challenge?
I am always ready, especially when it comes to birds.
Great. So I'll send you a reminder with the information along with the ticket and maps. You'll be ready to go. Sounds good?
Birds! Birds! Birds!
What have I done?
Not excited about this, man. I don't want to be here. Because we have to work with Marty. You ever worked with that guy before? I have not. He is quite the explorer. I don't mean that in a positive way. Let me tell you what happened the last time. We were out in the desert and we were trying to find this little lizard thing, right? This little lizard thing. Two people have seen it before. We were looking out for it, right? So we're walking around and we hear a crunch, right? And we're like, what was that? And Marty lifts up his foot and there's just, the dead lizard right there. He stepped on it. It was like the only one, right? We were supposed to protect it. So he stepped on the lizard and he was like, the dude that you replaced, Marty blames it all on him, and now that guy's in federal prison for stepping on a rare lizard. Yes, or at least Marty did it.
Think same's gonna happen here?
Yeah, I think he's gonna kill something.
I think I'm getting what you're giving, man.
He's somewhere around here right now. He's I don't know. He's probably just, being safe, probably ruining a child's dream or something. He wants a heart. Need that shot.
Hey, come on. Let's go find the camp. Okay. So, what do you think this warbler is gonna look like?
I'm not entirely sure. I heard it's like a rainbow of colors on a bird.
What size do you think it is?
Not entirely sure. It's supposed to be kind of large. Maybe the size of I don't know. Maybe like a chicken or possibly a turkey.
Think it's gonna look like a rainbow turkey?
Oh yeah.
Warblers. Tricky bastards. If you want to find one, you have to think like one. It's definitely in the tree. Why did I agree to do this? Alright, Marty, let's get a hold of yourself. You are Marty. You can handle this. It's Marty time. Yeah!
Welcome to the camp, gentlemen.
We will be spending the night here, so feel free to leave your bags inside the tent right there. Oh, I almost forgot. This will be our guide throughout the expedition. His name is Ivan.
Nice to meet you.
Also, we will be accompanied by a warbler expert, Carl Edwards.
That's me!
And you think you'll be able to help us find the warbler?
Actually, I think I already have.
You what?
Yeah. Over past those bushes over there, there's a whole flock of them. They're amazing! And that's not all! I've discovered many more! Yep, back in town. I know the way. Come with me! Shotgun! 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 Ah! Marty, please,
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm gonna need you to stay behind and look after the camp, Samson.
but please, Marty.
Are you sure those were warblers back there? I mean, isn't it odd that such a rare bird would just happen to be by our campsite?
Not at all. I lured them there.
Lured them? How?
With my Kelon, of course. It's a formula of my own creation, made up of bird pheromones. Always make sure to wear some to attract other birds.
1.5.
Oh, it smells horrible.
Yeah, I was wondering what that smell was.
Is that a Gibbs Flawless?
Dr. Edwards, keep your eyes on the road.
False alarm, it was just a cloud.
We could have died.
Do you mind? I'm trying to drive.
Yeah, how much farther is it until we get into town?
Oh, we must be lost. We'll all perish in this jungle.
Is that true, Dr. Edwards? Are we lost?
Of course not, I'm just taking the scenic route.
But how? It's not possible.
Bird! 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 Ah!
Hey, Samson. Hey, there's hundreds of them here. Thousands of them. Yeah, warblers. It's a huge story. Get the news team down here right now. Okay, bye.
How could he have found the warblers and I didn't? I promised Jenkins that I would find them. I deserve that credit, not him. Where is he? He just ran off screaming birds. There must be something I can do. He can't have the credit of finding these creatures. Yes, that's it. I have a plan so devious it might work. Yes, I am Marty. And Marty always wins.
Alright, so I gotta be honest with you, I don't think Marty's gonna be able to take this very well. He's a bit of a sociopath, but the fact that Edwards, who, in case you haven't noticed, is a little stupid, found the bird before he did, he's just like, he's gonna do something weird, he's gonna do something bad. So, I mean, like, honestly, I'm even surprised that Edwards found these things. Hell, Marty really wanted to find them, and I'm just nervous. And, I mean, he's just not gonna be able to take it well.
Kind of hungry, are you?
Yeah, I'm really hungry.
I've seen all these warblers around. Do you think they taste like chicken?
I bet they taste better than chicken.
Hey, do you guys have any grilled warbler?
What?
Some grilled warbler.
Huh?
Yeah, warbler.
Warbler?
Warbler. See right there? Warbler? Like the bird warbler?
Warbler?
Warbler.
No, sorry.
No, thanks anyway. Do they not know what warbler is?
I don't know. I mean, like, they're everywhere. I don't know how they can not know what they are.
Yeah, well, I've been seeing these signs for, like, ugly birds. Do you think that's what they are? Do you think that's what the natives call them?
Maybe. I mean, it might be the other thing.
Well, actually, according to my research,
The Wistophalis umigrebin. Just thought I could throw some knowledge your way, okay?
Okay. Like,
I mean, people are so ignorant. Ignorant people. God, no. Fucking ignorant.
This is General from News. I am Jeffrey Hernandez, and we're on the spot. So, which one of you found the warbler hotspot? Felipe?
Is that me?
That would be me.
What was that?
Well, I've spent the larger portion of my life studying these strange creatures. I've tracked them and followed their sightings to find this exact location, Birdlandia. And I'm happy to say that I've correctly identified what the locals call the ugly bird as the warbler species. I take full credit for the expedition because
Actually, Dr. Edwards found them.
Someone say my name?
This man claims you are the discoverer of the birds. Is that statement correct?
Yes, I'm a warbler expert. I've spent many years developing techniques to find the elusive creatures.
Don't listen to him. He's insane.
No, you're insane, okay?
You put my best friend in prison, okay? Oh, okay.
He stepped on a lizard.
No, you stepped on the lizard. You know you did. I hear you talking in your sleep. Look at Warbler. I hear it. I'm gonna look at Warbler.
They taste good. You disgusting pig.
Get off me. Hey, no, I'm speaking to you.
All these things,
You're
not really in
scum.
production yet, big
Huh?
time, but
What, you're gonna get me in prison now?
here's Arrowhead Farm there.
You're gonna get me in prison, huh?
I know. You're probably. I told you the cloud worked.
Oh my god, sir. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to expose that monster.
You're welcome.
I apologize for not being here today, but I'm here to dedicate the nature preserve to one of the most magnificent creatures on the planet, the warbler. I've spent my entire life researching these rare birds, and I'm happy to give them the proper respect that they deserve. But I couldn't have done any of this without my dear colleague, Carl Edwards.
Thank you, Bill. Along with this beautiful nature preserve, I have also requested a petting zoo be constructed so we may experience the warbler firsthand!